Hey Second Year 1 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery. So, how was yesterday's question? Yesterday's question was actually pretty easy, but part B, if I remember correctly, could be a little more difficult. Do you get part B correct? Let's check your answers right now. So, yesterday's question was factorize this, and the answers are for part A, 3m plus 4n holding bracket times 2m minus 3 holding bracket. For part B, might be a little challenging, 2 times 2p minus 3q times 3p plus r. Okay? If you got it right for the second one and the first one, I'm going to give yourself a high five. You are a math prodigy. Good job. So, how do we do this? How do we do this? I'm going to show you step by step for the first one. Okay? The first one shouldn't be a problem to you. Now, the goal for this is to simply make sure that the terms that are similar are put together. That's all there is. Okay, so for the first one, 6m squared minus 9m plus 8mn and 12n is very laid out for you. N is here, there's n here, there's m here, and there's m here. So don't need to shift the things at all. So 6m squared minus 9m, you factorize it, you will get what? Step 1 is to take out the number, so that's 3. Take out the letter, then is m. And then you have 2m minus 3, and that's it actually. Yep, 2m minus 3. Plus, for this part, 8mn minus 12n. So you take out 4, correct? The LCM is 4. And you take out n, of course. And what do you have? You have 2m. And what do you have here? Minus 3. So wait, you take a look. The first, this term and this term is the same. So what do you do to the terms? All you have to do is put the terms together. So it's actually equals to 3m plus 4n times 2n minus 3. And that's the answer. Very easy. Got it? Good job. Now for part B. Oops. For part B. Got a bit ahead of myself there. For part B, all you have to do is something similar. Put the terms together. So step by step. There's p here, and the other p is stuck here and here. But which one do you choose? You choose this one. Why? Because we need to put a q together. And the q is here, and the other q is here. So all I want you to do is just put the terms together first. Do it step by step, line by line. The answer will be yours. Okay? So 12p squared plus 4pr minus 6qr minus 18pq. Okay, 18pq. That's the first step, to rearrange them. Now the next step is to find the LCM, etc. Okay, so take out 4, take out p. You get what? 3p, correct? Plus 4 plus r, sorry. And then you put minus, okay, 6, 12, 18. So you take 6 and you take q. Okay, so that means we have r here, minus and minus. You get what? You get a plus. So plus times 3p. So these two, the two terms within the brackets are actually the same terms. Okay, it's the same terms, the same one. Now the problem comes with these two. Can we actually put it together like how we did it before? The answer is no. And why not? Okay, let me show you how to do this. The thing is, previously, you cannot factorize the thing further. But in 4p minus 6q, right? Okay. In 4p minus 6q, there is actually, you can actually factorize it further, correct? Not? So we put it on first, we put it as this first. And then you have to take out the 2 from here, correct? Take out the 2 from here. Then you will find yourself getting 2p minus 3q, 3p plus r. And that is the answer, okay? Now, the other way of doing this question is somewhat requires you to understand a bit more about algebra. So I'm going to show you the other alternative method that I actually found. And I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So in this case, okay, in the second case, the second way of doing it, what you can think of it as is think as 3p plus r as an x. So let 3p plus r be x. So just change it with x because it's the same term, right? Or you can put it animal, you can put it balls, whatever you want to put there, okay? So 4px minus 6qx, in other words. And hence you can take out the 2 and you get what? You get 2p. You can take out 2x, sorry. You can take out 2x, 2p minus 3q. Okay? And then you just change it back to 3p plus r. And hence you'll get the answer of 2p minus q, 3p plus r, which is the same thing. Okay? So if you got it right, you give yourself a high five. You are a math prodigy. Good job. So going on to the next question for the day. The question of the day is, simplify this and find its value when p equals to 2, q equals 3, and r equals to 5. Very easy to do. You should be getting it correct within like 3 minutes. Okay? So remember, the quote of the week is, line by line, the answer is mine. Line by line, the answer is mine. Line by line, the answer is what? It's mine. Okay, why and how is because when you do it step by step, things become very clear. You get to see the patterns in between, and that is when you get the answers to math. Math is not about brilliance. Math is all about persistence and good habits that allows you to see the patterns. Alright, so with that, this is Coach Saiful signing off. You are a math prodigy. Good job.